Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is John. I usually do promotions, discounts on electronic stuff, tools, stuff like that. Anything that I think that's worth saving or worth buying, I'm going to bring it to the audience. So usually I don't do videos on Monday, but I think this one is very hard not to do one. So this is a M12 by Milwaukee. Okay, so this does come with 5 tool. The thing that really caught my attention is the ratchet right here. Okay, usually it doesn't come with this, and it's still $199. But right now you can get all of this: the bag, the charger, the flashlight, the drill, the hacksaw, all this for $199. Regular price for this is $349, so that's a saving of $150. Okay, so off the back, this is if you're just gonna do, like, you know, a little stuff, fixing your house, your car, you know, this would be perfect. Reason why I'm not buying this is because I have Rigid and I have DeWalt. And I already have like the Craftsman, the Nextex, I believe, and it's just like this, small like this already. So it's pointless for me to keep on buying so many different set of tools, okay? So, but for $199, I think this is a great buy. Let's go down. Let's see if they have any other stuff on sales here. Here, Home Depot, they also carry Ryobi, and this one for 6 tool combo kit for $199. This one has a circular saw, as you can see here. So this is crazy. This is two of them, 2 tools, and then $199 already. So you can see you're better off with the discount that they're having right now. And you can buy all this together for $307 with the 2 extra batteries, or with the total 4 batteries, and it's 3 amp. Okay. So here a little bit more. M12 5 kit, so RED Lithium. This is a smaller version, okay, very portable. The 3/8 deliver 250 inch-pound of torque, lightweight. Okay, so let's see how many. What's the warranty on this one? I think the Milwaukee has a 3 years warranty, if I remember. Oh, 5 years. Okay, awesome, even better. 5 years warranty, okay, for Milwaukee. Hey, how come here says 3? Oh, for battery is 3 years. The battery is 3 years, but other one is 5. The tool is 5. Okay. So let's see what else we need to know about this one here. Okay, the review, I think that's pretty 4.5 out of 5 with a total of 509 reviews, so which is not bad at all. Let's read some of them. Let's see what they say. Wow, this guy looks like an electrician or something, huh? Very, very professional. So this is your starter kit. This investment has helped me over the past year. I've used every single tool on a regular basis. Being with heavy workloads, recommend to invest in bigger, long-lasting batteries. Only negative, flashlight is flimsy. Okay. Yep, wow, fixing on cars right here. Pretty neat. So like I said, I'm really interested in the Ratchet myself, but I have so many tools already. I can't wait to, I can't buy any more. This one, great price. Got 5 tools for right over 200. They are on the smaller size, but I cannot tell much. Okay, here, search for this kit at this price for months, and hope people came through Black Friday. That was last year. So it looks like this is going to be going through, probably maybe through Black Friday as well. Here we got a 1-star. This tool set is a complete joke. It's not brushless, so all the drills shoot sparks out and you. This tool set is a complete blah blah blah. Let's see. I have tools that are not brushless and they're shooting sparks and they're totally fine. I don't know. So this is the response from Milwaukee. Hello, this is Brianna from Milwaukee Tool. Fire, 1, 2, 3. Thank you for your review. We're sorry to hear that your experience was not of the standard that you expected. We would like to take the opportunity to investigate your feedback further, so please feel free to contact us directly at social media at milwaukeetool.com. If you would like further investigation into this matter, look forward to gaining resolution on this for you. Thank you. The rest, go furthermore, is all like 5 stars. So like I said, this is a compact kit. It's meant for you to do like not like a major like a professional job on the job site, but if you do something small, everyday job, you know, for average Joe, I think this should be more than enough. And Milwaukee is a brand that, you know, professional people uses. So I have no doubt. If I don't have Bridget, if I don't have the water already on hand, you know, I would have bought this in a heartbeat. Okay, so for the price, for $199, you know, I think it's a buy. I'll list all the information in the descriptions. As a matter of fact, I got an email from Tool Nut, and this morning, and for the same price as we speak, and earlier before this, I went to their website and see if they have any available, but they were out of stock. Okay, so you can get this while they have it in stock. Most likely it'll be out. Right now they have it shipped to home. Okay, get it by November 3rd. Wow, really? That fast? Wow, couldn't believe that. That's something pretty fast. Okay, but thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. If you like the video, give it a like. If you love it, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you hit the bell notifications. Like I said, I usually don't upload videos on Mondays, but it's just something that I think, you know, everyone, you know, should buy, or maybe just too hard not to list. So other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.